Wait, let me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting off raw. I am filming on my fucking camera. But I guess today is day 2 of Vlogmas, and your girl ain't at school for a reason. I've been up. You're gonna come with me to wash my face, cause. Anyway, so right now it is snowing outside. They canceled class. Well, no, they canceled morning class and told us to come at like 10 a.m. and nobody got time to be coming at 10 a.m. because it's literally still snowing. Like, it's, let me just hop outside real quick in this damn cold. Like, it's still snowing. Who gonna really drive through all this? Who gonna really drive through all this? Like, no. So I'm staying home and I'm gonna do some work. But this lighting, let's go wash my face because it's kind of cold out here. So it's so weird vlogging with this. Tragedy from us. Why didn't you do? So today I'm gonna stay home. Oh no, this needs to autofocus. I'm gonna be staying home and what's it called? Get some work done, because actually this is pre-finals week for school. So I'm gonna stay home and get some stuff done. But I'm about to wash my face. This is so weird. It's so cool. Hold on, let me. There we go. So hey y'all. Hey y'all. Oh shoot, I have to get my stuff from the back. Hold up real quick. I just came back from, what's it called? I need to put this on something. Hold up, let me get a stand. I just came back from Maryland, so everything is like everywhere. Why is this not on auto? I never realized how short I was until, okay, maybe if you knew what you were standing on. So I'm just gonna, wash my face and start doing some work for school. My friend introduced me to this right here, and I don't know, my face is like on and off. This is so clear. Oh my god. I got a camera. Oh. How did they do it? It's so weird to have one. Hold up, I'll be back. Face is clean. The day I get clear skin. Oh Jesus. So then I need a towel, but you guys are sitting on a towel, so this is much smarter. So I use a paper towel to wipe my face, because you learn about washing your face, it's not good to use a towel. So I need the skin to get better, yo. So then I go on with this. Bitch, focus. Well, don't want to. It's what's it called? Essence. This is some hyaluronic acid. I don't know where my other face lotion is, but I'm just gonna use Cetaphil. Hey girl, I ain't got perfect skin, but that's alright. And we're done. Oh my god. So I'm done washing my face now. I am going to make a list of things that I need to actually get done today. It just helps me stay on track and not procrastinate. I realized like writing stuff down about the things you need to do for the week or for the day helps you not procrastinate. So now we're on my couch and I have what's it called? I have this is my calendar or my planner. This is my planner. Let me show you. So this is my planner and it helps a lot. It helps a lot. I'm trying so hard not to look up, but this is helpful. So I'm going to plan stuff. We gotta go to December. So this is what I usually have in there. I haven't written anything for December because obviously we just started. I just have my finals, but I have to put my bills and, you know, everything else in here. So yeah, yesterday I got some stuff completed. But today's a new day, so I'm going to do a to-do list of stuff that I need to get done, and yeah. So you can tell I have written the stuff that I need to do for today. So I'm gonna get started on it. And I'm always watching YouTube. Like, I'm always watching. YouTube is literally my TV. So we gonna get that started and I'll see you guys later. I'm looking like somebody's papa. So I went grocery shopping. And because I needed to get some stuff. I had nothing in my house, so I went grocery shopping and I'm putting stuff away, and I'm going to make something to eat because there's no food in this house. There we go. So yeah, I got some veggies. I already started putting stuff away. But yeah, I'm gonna get cooking, and then I like watching videos. Literally, YouTube is my life. I like watching YouTube while I'm doing anything and everything. So I'll see you guys when I'm making my food. what it's currently looking like. Obviously not done. So this is the finished product. Look at that. Do you see that? And then this is the what's it called? I guess lasagna-ish. Just with cheese. Yes, there's a lot of cheese in keto. And I am heating up water so I can make some green beans. So this is my dinner. Let me put some light on it. I just got done eating my dinner. Yes, that's seasoned. Ooh, looking good. And of course, watching YouTube. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I have so much to do. It's about to be a long night because this is finals week and I'm here acting like it's not. So I'm gonna just eat this meal, get some work done. Check off some stuff on this to-do list, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog. This is my first time vlogging with my camera or whatever, and it's kind of different. I try to vlog going into Best Buy, and girl, I don't know how people carry this camera and pretend like people ain't around, but we're gonna get used to it because there's a lot of things that are coming up that I need to vlog. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Ooh, I'm tired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. I can't wait to be making more videos. And I guess I am doing Vlogmas, but I'm gonna not stress myself because this is finals week. So I don't want to stress myself too much. It's a lot of work balancing both. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Me looking cray cray. Bye.